Right now, we're seeing an unusual spike in entertainment sentiment at plus 0.52, with momentum climbing to plus 0.46. This is noteworthy because it's significantly above the historical baseline, an indication that something exciting is brewing in the entertainment sector. Our API returns a wealth of insights, including sentiment scores and semantic clusters, allowing you to grasp the nuances of audience reactions. Imagine building a recommendation engine that tailors content based on real-time sentiment shifts. This could enhance user engagement by aligning offerings with the current entertainment buzz. Dive deeper into the nuances of sentiment analysis and stay ahead of trends. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.